Hello and happy New Year. We thank God for giving us the grace and making it possible for us to see this new year. My prayer is that this year will be good and we will see a lot of profit in the market. Anyway, this is Ami Forex and welcome to my channel. As I do always, this is the first week of the year and I'm happy to bring you my market review, what I'm looking at for the week. And on our screen, as you can see, is the weekly chart of AUDJPY. And if you have been following me, you know that I always start my analysis from the weekly time frame. I'm always looking at the weekly time frame. And the way I trade is very simple. I trade in the direction of the market. I follow the trend. And as it has been said, the trend is always your friend. But because this is the first week of the month, let us look at the monthly chart. The monthly is bullish. Yeah, we are bullish on the monthly. Although last month we saw a bearish candle. Yeah, this is a bearish candle. And so that is all that is all that I will say on the monthly chart. We are bullish on the monthly. Let's come to the weekly. On the weekly too, we are bullish. We are bullish. But when we take our time to analyze this well, we realize that we had something like a morning star. It's actually a morning star on the weekly. And the last week closed bearish, but my biases is still that price will push up. Let's come to the daily. We are bullish on the daily, and anytime I have these higher time frames pointing the same direction, I do nothing but to follow the direction of the higher time frame. So we are bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly. We are bullish also on the daily. So this market looks pretty interesting. Let me see. There is this zone here. Okay. There is a zone here that I feel price can come into before going, although I doubt if price will come all the way down to this level, but it's possible. And then let's come to the weekly. Yeah. The weekly is also bullish. So what am I looking at? Or what am I expecting from the market? I'm expecting the price will push a little down into this zone. And then from here, go up. But should we break this zone, then I'll be expecting price to come down to this level and before pushing up. Yeah. Let's say price coming down to a place like this. Yeah, so these are the two places or the two things that I'm looking at. So I'm very bullish on AUD JPY. I'm bullish on this. I'm bullish on this. Although I doubt if price will come here, but the market can do whatever it likes. We follow price action like I always say. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so that is that for AUD JPY. Let's look at GU. GU. Yeah. GU. Interesting. Let's look at the monthly chart. We are okay, we are bullish on the monthly. Just want to be sure. No, we are bearish. We are bearish on the monthly because if you watch this carefully, then we broke structure. Yeah. And we haven't been able to take the high. So we are bearish, but looking at these morning star candlestick pattern that formed on the monthly, I anticipate that price will keep pushing up. Yeah, price will keep pushing up. On the weekly too, we are bearish. We are bearish. We are bearish, but for some weeks now, price is pushing up. Prices, but the last 4 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, price is pushing up. Let's come to the daily. I'm still making my prediction based on the morning star pattern that was formed on the monthly time frame. You get it. So although we are bearish on the weekly, I'm still very bullish because of that pattern that we have. Let me see if we okay. Yeah. Because of that pattern that we had. But you don't have to be static in your biases. You just have to follow price action. On daily, we are bullish. We are bullish on daily, and we are bullish on the 4 hours. And when the trend is changing, it's about changing. It starts from the lower time frame, and then it goes to the higher time frame. So once the 4 hours and the daily have changed, it's likely it will continue until the weekly changes and then the monthly changes. So I'm very bullish on GU, but like I said, we follow price action. So let's see what the market will do. I called this trade, I think, on Friday, but I still feel market price is going to come into this zone again before it continues going up. So I'm bullish on GU. Let's analyze gold finally, and then we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. Okay. So let's look at the monthly. Let's first look at the monthly. Okay, we are bullish on the monthly. We are bullish on the weekly. Yes, we are bullish on the weekly. And then we are also bullish on the daily. And on the 4 hours too, we are bullish. So I don't see why we should be selling gold. I'm not giving much information because this looks pretty clean. So I'm anticipating a little drop into this zone and then a buy. So in all, this is my prediction for these pairs for the week. Yeah, so thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And if you have been following this channel and you found value, kindly share it. I want to see your comment and share it so that others can also get a benefit. I will also put the link to our free Telegram channel where we share chart analysis and sometimes we give signals, but most often we give chart analysis because, like I always say, I do not want to be responsible for anybody's trade. So we share the chart analysis, and if you are convinced, then you can also take the trade based on the analysis that we have shared. Thank you so much. And until I come your way again, may the market favor us.